In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily use a template in a board on Trello. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or a complete beginner, you'll find this guide straightforward and helpful for organizing your projects more efficiently. First things first, head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll see a friendly invitation to get started or log in. Click on the login button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. You have the option to log in using your email, or if you prefer a quicker route, your Google account login will do the trick just fine. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. From here, navigate to the board section, which should be near the top of your screen. Now it's time to get into your workspaces. Look for the Your Workspaces section. This area contains all the boards that you're a part of. It's like your personal control room for all your projects. Browse through this section and click on the board you want to work with. With the board open, direct your attention to the upper right corner. You'll notice a small icon with 3 dots. Clicking on this icon reveals a drop-down menu, and within this menu you will find the option to Make Template. To create a template from the board you've selected, simply click on Make Template. This action transforms the board into a reusable template, which can be extremely handy for recurring projects or processes. Next, you're set to create a new board from this template. Simply click on Create Board from Template. A new window will pop up, prompting you to name your new board. Think carefully about a title that reflects the function or purpose of this board for easy future reference. Once named, it's important to decide where this board will reside. You'll need to select the workspace where you want this board to be. Choosing the right workspace is crucial for keeping your projects well organized and accessible to the right team members. Before you finalize, you have the option to click the checkbox for Keep Cards if you want to retain any existing cards from the template. Similarly, if there are any template cards that you wish to keep intact, be sure to click on the Keep Template Cards checkbox. Finally, with all your settings in place, simply click on Create to bring your new board to life. Congratulations, you've just used a template to streamline your workflow in Trello. This method not only saves time, but also ensures consistency across similar projects. Feel free to customize your board further as needed, and start leveraging Trello's powerful organizational tools to their full potential.